And recording. Hey guys, I hope you're having a beautiful day. It's Lily here from Luxy Hair, and today I'm excited to show you how to style a ponytail to look super voluminous and just really good. So whether you're styling your own ponytail or if you have the Luxy Hair clip-in ponytail, then stay tuned for some tips on how to make the best of it and rock your pony the best you can. Okay, so because I don't have the actual Luxy Hair ponytail with me, today I'll be styling my own hair to show you guys the technique, and my Halo Luxy Hair Extensions in chocolate brown, just so you can see how it is to style extensions with the same technique. If you guys are interested to learn more about the actual Luxy Hair ponytails, then check out the links in the description box. We'll leave all of those resources for you to check out later.
So the first thing you're gonna need is obviously some hair, whether it's your own or if you're using the clip-in extension. Then you're gonna need a brush. Any brush will definitely do, but I'm using this Luxy Hair loop brush that's specifically designed for hair extensions and has loops to prevent damage and snagging at the roots. Then you're gonna need a blow dryer with a diffuser, a curling wand, I'm using a 1-inch barrel one, some volumizing mousse, and a texturizing spray. You can also use a texturizing powder. Then you're gonna need some elastics and some water, a spray bottle to dampen your hair, but also to hydrate. This is totally optional, but this is the Luxy Hair Deluxe Styler. And if you guys own hair extensions, it will absolutely blow your mind. And here's me diligently checking if the list is complete. Yep, let's get to it. All right guys, get comfortable. The first thing we're gonna do is just create a regular ponytail with your hair. I'm not sure if everybody does it this way, so let me know in the comments if this is also how you do your ponytail. I make sure to brush everything without any bumps, and then I put the hair elastic in. So this is what my hair looks like without the extensions and without doing anything to it. My hair is pretty straight. So this is just to show you guys, this is 20 inches. This is my Halo set, but the Luxy Hair ponytail is also 20 inches. So this is approximately how long it's gonna look. Keep in mind that I'm 5'10", so I'm pretty tall, so if you are shorter than me, then the hair will look even longer on you. When you create your ponytail, you can definitely do a high ponytail like me, middle, or a low pony like this. Okay guys, before we get started on styling the extensions, I want to show you a quick hack. So this is me doing a ponytail with a regular elastic, but this is an elastic I discovered last summer. I got these at H&M, and it's made out of a material similar to like a sleeve or a sock. I don't know. Do you see how it rolls out and it gets really thick? So first of all, I find it's less damaging to my hair, but also it creates a really great, I guess, height to the ponytail. So after doing my regular 3 loops, at the end of it, I just take the top portion and I extend it to cover all of them to make it look like it's one huge elastic. If you want to get even more height to your ponytail, like I usually do for a more dramatic look, then use 2 of these, stack them on top of each other, and the second one just roll it over to cover the entire thing up. And this is what the before and after looks like, and just take a look at what difference those 2 elastics already make. The next step is to prep the hair. The first thing we're gonna need to do is to dampen it. You'll want to dampen your hair to the point of it being a little bit moist, not overly wet and soaking, just wet enough so that it would need a little bit of a blow dry to finish it off. If you have a water spray bottle, please use that. It's so much easier. Okay, next onto the mousse. Just shake it, and put a little bit on your palm. I totally forgot that mousse expands, but it's okay. Let's just see how it goes. I don't think this is too much. Make sure that you're dispersing the product all throughout the ponytail.
This is how the Deluxe Styler comes in. It's a beautiful black box. You can see you can wash, dry, and style it. So you put your extensions in here, and in the back it has 4 little suction cups, which actually means that you can attach it to any surface, like your mirror or your, I don't know, a window, I guess. Most importantly, a shower wall. So that way you can wash your Luxies and blow dry them with no problem. Let's go see how it works. So you can totally put this on the mirror like that. I'm gonna put it on the shower wall right here. I need 2 hands.
Okay guys, 2 hands acquired. So just make sure that all 4 of the suction cups are secured properly onto the surface, and it's gonna be so sturdy and so easy to style the extensions. Ooh, look how beautiful it looks. Ah. Okay, so I know I said I would style the halo for you guys in the beginning, but I've decided to actually style some wefts instead, but I want to show you how to do this with a halo anyway. Pop off the string that comes with it in order for it to sit comfortably on this deluxe styler, and that's it. Look how easy this was. Can you imagine how easy the styling will go? And just check out the beautiful chocolate brown color here. Okay, so to show you guys how you would style your Luxy Hair ponytail, I just took a couple of short wefts from my chestnut brown set. I've had this set actually for about 6 years, and this is chocolate and chestnut brown in comparison. So now you're gonna dampen the extensions just like we did with the ponytail that you saw earlier. Make sure that you're not putting too much product because we don't recommend product buildup to avoid overwashing your extensions to help them last longer. Grab your blow dryer with a diffuser. Guys, full disclosure, I have never used a diffuser before and I actually had to borrow this one from a friend, so I'm really hoping that I'm doing this right. But by the looks of it, the result came out pretty good, so I think I'm doing it correctly. What I've been doing here is taking small section by section and just wrapping the hair around the diffuser in order to scrunch it up, and turn the diffuser on only after everything is scrunched up. Then turn the diffuser off and let everything go. Check it out, I think it worked.
Whoa.
First impression using a diffuser? Not bad. And now you're going to do the exact same technique on your extensions. Make sure that your blow dryer is set to low to medium heat because you don't want to damage the hair. I also forgot to tell you guys that I've applied heat protectant to my Luxies before doing any heat styling to make sure that my Luxies are lasting a long time. And that's the final result. Take a look at how much texture there is already without us even styling or curling the hair yet. Perfect, now onto styling the hair. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm using a 1-inch barrel and I'm going to style 1 to 2 inches of hair at a time in different directions. So remember how my previous one I went this way? Now we're gonna go the opposite way to make sure that there's even more volume in our ponytail. See, once we're done these 2 pieces, you can clearly see that they're curled in different directions. And that's it, keep doing this 1 to 2 inches of hair at a time throughout the entire ponytail. And that's what it looks like when it's all curled. The final step is to add texturizing spray all over. If you guys are finding that your ponytail looks a little bit frizzy, then use a little bit of hair oil. I love using the Love Hair Oil because it's not leaving my hair greasy. Only use 1 to 2 drops, not too much. And that's the final look. I love how bouncy and how voluminous my hair is looking after doing this technique. Okay, and this is the part where I noticed that all my baby hairs have been out this entire video. My bad. So just use some hairspray to hide all of your baby hairs for a sleeker look. And last but not least, use the same technique on your extensions with the deluxe styler. Use 1 to 2 inch pieces to curl them in different directions. Then use a little bit of texturizing spray after when you're done. Fluff it up with your fingers, and if you would like, this is optional, I like running my loop brush over it to loosen up the curls a little bit.
And that's it for today's look, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate your time. Let me know what you thought of this tutorial in the comments below. If you guys have any video requests or any suggestions, we read every single comment, so we really love hearing from you guys. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!